Lord Anagadatta says about his 18th Guru. The 18th Guru is a little bird who was flying with a worm in its beak. Larger birds flew after him and began to peck him. They stopped only when the little bird dropped the worm. Thus, Lord Anagadatta says, I've learned that the secret of survival lies in renunciation, not in possession. In simpler words, Lord Datta says, whatever you give is yours. Whatever you have, it is for others. So, in simpler words, Anaghadatta also says that I have learned the lesson that a man in the world undergoes all sorts of troubles and miseries when he runs after sensual pleasures, and that he becomes as happy as the bird when he abandons the sensual pleasures.